Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 40V compatible battery is probably one of the most important aspects of your outdoor power tool setup. Today, we're diving deep into the world of 40V batteries, exploring everything from their compatibility with various tools to how to keep them running at their best. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out with your yard work, understanding these batteries can make a huge difference in your efficiency and overall experience. Number 5. ANTRobut 40V 6.5R Replacement Battery for Ryobi. Introducing the ANTRobut 40V Replacement Battery, designed specifically for your Ryobi 40V tools. This high-capacity battery ensures long-lasting performance, keeping your tools running longer. This battery boasts a 40V voltage and a 6,500 mAh capacity, equivalent to 260 Wh. It's a lithium-ion battery, providing reliable power for all your tasks. This replacement battery is compatible with a wide range of Ryobi 40V models. It works with various tools, from blowers to chainsaws, offering versatility for all your needs. Experience maximum productivity with no memory effect and minimal self-discharge. The battery's integrated temperature management system and individual cell monitoring help to maximize its lifespan. Built-in microchip provides overall protection from potential damage. The durable frame and LED indicator ensure both safety and convenience during use. Please note that this battery may not be applicable to Ryobi 40V snowblowers. Ensure compatibility before use. What we like. This battery offers long-lasting performance, ensuring your tools run longer. It's also widely compatible with various Ryobi 40V tools, making it a versatile choice. If you have a lot of Ryobi 40V tools and need a reliable power source, you should consider this one. What people say. Runs all Ryobi tools. Fantastic run time. Well made. Perfect comparability. Has a little light meter on the side for capacity. It is a little older looking than the current Ryobis, but it is compatible with most Ryobi lawn equipment. It works with the power, leaf blower, and weed eater just fine. Little tighter on the weed eater, and a firm push is needed on the leaf blower, but it works and feels as strong as it is with the OEM Ryobi batteries. I'd say capacity-wise it's pretty close to advertised. It has 2.5 more than the largest Ryobi I have. Usually, one battery and some change is needed for my backyard. This battery lasted the whole yard on its own and still had enough charge to weed eat a little afterwards. This is a good option. Excellent alternative. Number 4. ADVTRONICS 40V Replacement Battery for Ryobi. Are you tired of your Ryobi battery dying too quickly? This is a replacement battery, designed to work with your 40V Ryobi tools. It provides reliable power for all your projects. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Ryobi 40V tools. It's a direct replacement for models like OP4050A, OP4015, and many more. This ensures it will fit your existing tools. Featuring a 4.0 Ah capacity and 40V voltage, this battery delivers long-lasting performance. It's built with high-quality battery cells and provides the power you need to get the job done. The battery includes an integrated microchip to prevent overcharging. It also has a multi-protect safety system for complete protection. This helps to extend the battery's life and keeps you safe. You'll receive the ADVTRONICS 40V replacement battery, compatible with Ryobi 40V tools. Plus, you'll have access to our friendly customer service. Get yours today. What we like. This battery uses high-quality cells and an integrated microchip to prevent overcharging. The multi-protect safety system ensures complete protection. If you are looking for a safe and reliable replacement battery, this is a great option. What people say. Works as advertised. It fits well in the charger and mower. I was surprised just how well this battery works on my Ryobi handheld blower. Number 3. Biswaye 40V6R Replacement Battery for Ryobi. This is a replacement battery for your Ryobi 40V tools. It's designed to be a direct match for the original equipment manufacturer batteries, ensuring a perfect fit and function. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Ryobi 40V tools. It works with lawn mowers, trimmers, weed eaters, and blowers. You can easily bring new life to your existing tools. The Biswaye battery offers a high capacity of 6.0 Ah, providing extended runtime. It lasts up to twice as long as the standard 3.0 Ah batteries, allowing you to work longer. It features an onboard battery life indicator for your convenience. Built-in circuit protection ensures safety and stability, preventing overcharging and extending the battery's lifespan. This battery complies with FCC, RoHS, and CE safety standards. If you're not satisfied, contact us through the contact seller option under your order, and we'll reply as soon as possible. What we like. This battery provides extended runtime, allowing you to work longer without interruption. It is also compatible with a wide range of Ryobi 40V tools and chargers. If you like to work on large projects or need extended use, you should choose this one. What people say. The original batteries must have lasted for at least 5 years. Wow, power restored. Battery charged fast. Lasted a long time owner leaf blower. Great price. Number 2. Ryobi 40V 6.0 Ah replacement lithium battery. This is a high-capacity 40V lithium-ion battery. It provides extended runtime, allowing you to work longer on your projects. It's designed to keep you going. This battery is compatible with a wide range of Ryobi 40V lithium tools. It also works with various Ryobi 40V lithium-ion tools and chargers. It's a versatile power solution. It's a direct replacement for several Ryobi 40V lithium-ion batteries. You can easily swap it in and get back to work. It's a convenient upgrade. The battery is CE, FCC, and RoHS certified, ensuring safety and reliability. It has built-in protections against overcharging, overdischarging, and overheating. You can use it with confidence. It features 4 LED lights to indicate the remaining power. This allows you to easily monitor the battery's charge level. It's a user-friendly design. What we like. This battery boasts a high capacity for extended use. It's widely compatible with various Ryobi 40V tools and chargers. If you need a battery that offers both power and peace of mind, you should consider this one. What people say. After several months, the battery has held up and I am able to complete my entire yard without running out of power, which is about an hour. It charges on my original charger with no problem. It has enough power to edge my yard and a little more power to blow, but not enough to finish the job sometimes. For the amount of edging I do, the battery does good. Not complainants so far. Number 1. Ryobi 40V OP4026 Replacement 6.0 Ah Lithium Battery. This is the new replacement battery for your Ryobi 40V tools. It's a powerful upgrade, designed to provide longer runtimes and more power for all your tasks. With a 6.0 Ah capacity, this battery offers significantly extended use. You can work longer without needing to stop and recharge, making your projects more efficient. This battery is fully compatible with a wide range of Ryobi 40V tools. It fits perfectly and provides the same reliable performance you expect from your tools. Specifically designed as a replacement for the OP4026 battery, it also works with various other models. It's a direct fit and easy to install. Utilizing advanced lithium-ion technology, this battery offers consistent power and performance. It also features a long lifespan, ensuring it will last through many projects. Experience improved performance with this upgraded battery. It delivers more power and longer runtimes, helping you get the job done faster and more effectively. What we like. This battery boasts a high capacity for extended use. It's widely compatible with various Ryobi 40V tools and chargers. If you need a battery that offers both power and peace of mind, you should consider this one. What people say. The 40-volt devices last much longer than the lower voltage items. They also don't have the annoying cords and are easier to use than the gas-powered ones. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.